Hey, you want to go help out that guy? I think he's been here for a while.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Can I help you find anything?
Yes, thank you for asking. I'll have a cocoa with 6 pumps of peppermint.
Full cocoa order. Okay. 6 pumps of peppermint. Sir, I have your cocoa.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you. So does this one come with any sort of warranty?
Yeah, this one actually does come with our engine for life warranty.
Engine for life. Santa's gonna love that! Sir! Can you keep it down, please? I did it, Santa.
Ho ho ho, buddy. I haven't been this excited since the missus and I made our accord.
What is happening?